These are the Akko Rose Reds. You may have heard the hype around these switches for their amazing performance despite being sold at a low price of 25 cents per switch. Although the materials aren't officially stated, I assume the top is polycarbonate, the housing is nylon, and the stems are palm. They use a 43-gram progressive spring. These switches use Kale-style latches and are 3-pin plate mounted. These switches do not require filming as they are very tight and have little stem wobble compared to KSA Gatorant Yellows. I think these sound great and feel amazing for budget switches. Stock, they sound great and have minimal scratchiness. Lubing enhances the sound and removes the scratching. I would highly recommend them if you're tight on money or new to the keyboard hobby. Anyways.